There's NJ Transit. Wait, what? Oh, I thought that was NJ Transit. That's Norfolk. Oh, it's a freight train. Holy crap, I didn't even notice. Nice. That's what I was hoping was going to happen. Feels like every time I get in the beginning, I mean, like every time I get to it, it beats me. It's always before me. I usually just wind up getting just the middle of it, not the front. Yeah. Nice. Let's see if he blows the horn. Someone else was doing the train, so I just didn't want to be rude and getting shot. Nice. Northfolk. Looks like it's a big one. Let me stand still, because this is like the clearest shot ever. Oh, is he stopping? The train's going slower. I think he's stopping. Let's just stand here. I think this guy's going to stop. Yeah, I always get that confused if it's a dumpster or if it's a freight, but it's a dumpster though, just a big one. I don't like the color of these tank carts right here. How it has the white on the end, it just doesn't look right, don't match. If only we had those, Union Pacific, that's what I would want. But it doesn't matter, it's a freight train. There could be a DPU in it. Still got a long way to go. Alright, I'm gonna stand still. I know I keep saying it, but, you know. Some people don't even finish the trains around here. They just, you know, do half of the train. But me, I do the full train for you guys. Oh, what is that up there? What is that? That's going to be interesting once I see it come up a little closer. Oh, is he stopping? Don't stop. It's going to be a long time if he stops. He's hauling something very interesting. What is that? I think we're coming to the end. Yep. What is that? I've never seen that. Comment down if you guys know what that is right there, because I've never seen that. Looks like containers, trash containers or something. Yep, here's the end. Epic. Huh. Looks like a roll-off container. Roll-off trash truck container. Alright, here comes the end. He must have turned the light on. Let's see, did you do it? I guess not. No DPUs in this one. I wonder what those carts are, though. I've never seen anything like that. Just glad I got here in a nick of time. If you guys know what kind of carts those are, just let me know. I thought it was NJ Transit. I'm just used to catching that all the time, but man, that was fun. Good old Norfolk. Hope you enjoyed.